Welcome to DreamzCMMS. If you're new here, this quick start video will help you get comfortable fast. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn how to navigate the platform, create your first work order, set up assets, and schedule preventive maintenance, so you can start managing maintenance the right way from day one. Dashboard overview. Let's start with the dashboard. This is your command center. On the top left, you'll find the main menu. From here, you can access work orders, assets, preventive maintenance, inventory, reports, and more. At the center of the dashboard, you'll see key metrics such as open work orders, overdue tasks, emergency work orders, and open work requests. You can also view the top 10 work orders for the week, including which ones are pending and which are late. This gives you a clear, real-time snapshot of what needs attention today. Creating your first work order. Before creating a work order, let's take a quick look at the work order dashboard. This is where all maintenance activity comes together. At the top, you'll see quick access options like work order list, create work order, scheduled maintenance, workflow automation, and checklists. These shortcuts help you move quickly without navigating through multiple screens. Just below, the dashboard shows an overview of your maintenance workload. You can see work orders grouped by status, work orders assigned to technicians, recent work orders, and work order trends based on date. Now let's create your first work order. Click on Create Work Order. Start by entering a title, description, and priority level. Next, assign the work order to a technician or an external subcontractor. You can then select the related asset or even assign multiple assets to a single work order. After that, choose the required labor tasks directly from the checklist. If needed, you can attach photos, add spare parts, or include notes, ensuring technicians have all the information before starting the job. Once everything is set, save the work order. Your task is now live, trackable, and ready to be executed. Setting up an asset. Next, let's add an asset to the system. Navigate to the Assets section and click Add Asset. From here, you can create facilities or locations, equipment, machines, or tools. Enter key details such as asset name, category, serial number, and manufacturer. You can also link the asset to a specific facility or location, making it easier to manage large or multi-site operations. DreamzCMMS supports both QR codes and RFID tracking. You can assign a QR or RFID tag to the asset so technicians can instantly access asset details using their mobile devices. Once saved, the asset becomes part of your maintenance ecosystem, ready for tracking, servicing, and reporting. Setting up preventive maintenance. Now let's set up preventive maintenance so recurring work orders are created automatically. Go to Scheduled Maintenance from the main menu. This is where all preventive maintenance schedules are created and managed. Click Add New Scheduler to begin. Give your scheduler a clear name and select work order as the order type. This ensures DreamzCMMS generates work orders automatically based on your schedule. Next, choose how often the maintenance should run. You can select a default frequency like daily, weekly, or monthly, or create a custom schedule that fits your maintenance strategy. You can also define the start date and time. If needed, you can configure overdue settings to control how late work orders are handled. DreamzCMMS automatically generates the work order title using the scheduler name. You can then add descriptions and task details just like a regular work order, so technicians know exactly what needs to be done. Once everything is set, click Save. Preventive maintenance work orders will now be created automatically, helping you prevent failures instead of reacting to them. Using the mobile app. Now let's see how technicians use DreamzCMMS on the mobile app, from login to job completion. After logging in, the technician lands on the mobile dashboard. This screen highlights what's due today, along with quick access to open, overdue, and emergency work orders. My Work Orders shows all assigned jobs. Filters make it easy to focus on today's tasks or only the jobs assigned to that technician. Opening a job displays the full work order details, including job status, start and due times, customer information, location, and assigned assets, all in one place. When ready to begin, the technician taps Start Working. The job status updates automatically and time tracking begins. As work progresses, technicians can review tasks, update details, and capture everything they need without switching apps. Once the job is complete, the technician finishes the work order and logs the total time spent. This ensures accurate labor tracking and real-time visibility for managers. All updates sync automatically, keeping everyone aligned, even when work happens on the move. And that's your quick start with DreamzCMMS. If you're ready to get started, begin your free trial today and take control of your maintenance operations from day one.